High protein Costco finds for April 2025, plus meal prep tips. Today I'm sharing my top 10 high protein Costco finds for April 2025, plus some easy meal prep tips so you can make the most out of these foods. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm Claudia, a holistic nutritionist helping women in midlife balance their hormones, fire up their metabolism, and achieve effective weight loss without restrictive dieting. If you are looking for protein-packed staples you can buy at Costco, plus quick meals and snack ideas, you are going to love this. By the way, stay with me till the end because I've got something exciting to share that could make a huge difference in your health journey. So let's dive in. Organic free-range eggs. This offers 6 grams of proteins per egg. And if you add the egg whites, that increase the proteins for that meal. So why I love it? So these are a complete protein sources with all essential amino acids. Rich in choline, great for brain health and metabolism. And as I said, egg whites add proteins without the extra fat. 1 extra egg white adds about 3.5 grams of proteins. Some meal prep tips. For a high protein breakfast, mix 2 whole eggs and 1.5 cup of egg whites. That's about 20 grams of proteins. Make egg muffins using spinach, feta for a grab and go mornings. Like scramble with cottage cheese for a creamy high protein meal, that add another 10 to 50 grams more protein. Organic chicken. Now organic poultry like whole chicken or cuts gives you about 25 grams of proteins per serving. Why I love it? This is a great quality source of lean protein, especially when you choose organic. Buying a whole chicken is way more budget friendly compared to pre-cut parts. Some money saving tips. So buying the whole chicken and cut it yourself, it takes, less than 5 minutes. If you want a quick tutorial, let me know in the comments and I will make one for you. Like when you buy the whole chicken and you cut it yourself, you can use every part like breast for quick lunches, legs and thighs for slow cooked dinners, and bones for a gut healing bone broth. Now I know it's convenient, so Costco also sell pre-packed chicken parts like breast, legs, wings, so these are great for busy weeks. So I recommend sticking with organic for better quality and fewer additives. And I know it's convenient, but try to avoid rotisserie chicken. It may be cheap, but it's often loaded with sodium, oils, and preservatives. Another option is the chicken breast bites. This offers 24 grams of proteins per 100 grams serving. Why I love it? This is fully cooked, clean, and super convenient. No fillers or mystery ingredients, just real chicken. Perfect for busy days when you don't have time to cook. Now, how you can use it? So make a chicken salad with avocado, mustard, lemon juice. Toss into the wraps like some grain balls or omelets for an instant protein boost. It's a great snack to keep it in the fridge for post-workout or lunchbox adds in. Number 4, frozen wild-caught fish like salmon, cod, halibut. That's about 20 grams proteins per serving. Why I love it? Wild-caught is cleaner and better for hormone balance. Fatty fish is packed with omega-3, which supports brain, heart, and hormone health. And frozen offer a long shelf life and it's easy to meal prep. Some ideas. So you can bake 2-3 fillets with lemon, olive oil, and herbs. You can store it in the fridge to use it in tacos, bowls, or salad during the week. You can use salmon to make protein-rich patties or add to scrambled eggs. Another option, number 5, is Olivia Atlantic shrimps, which is wild and it's product of Canada. 25 gram service offers 16 grams of proteins. Why I love it? Because it's light and high in proteins and it's a great low-calorie seafood option. It's rich in selenium and B12, boosts energy and supports metabolism. How to use it? You can saute a whole bag with garlic and lemon and it's done in minutes. Add to taco balls, pasta, salad, or eat cold as a snack. Try shrimps with cauliflower, rice, and avocado for a quick fat loss meal. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like this and subscribe to my channel for more practical advice on hormone health, metabolism, and sustainable fat loss. That will help my channel a lot. Number 6 is MC Dairy pressed cottage cheese, which for 125 gram serving size offer 27 grams of proteins. Why I love it? It's a super high in proteins and low in fat food. Contain casein, which is slow digesting protein that keeps you full for longer. This is a great post-workout or before bed snack to support recovery. Some meal prep ideas: you can mix it with cinnamon and berries for a sweet protein snack. Also, you can use as a toast topping or fold into scrambled eggs for a creamy texture. You can add it to tomato pasta sauce for extra creaminess and extra proteins. Another staple is the Kirkland Greek yogurt. Why I love it? This is packed with protein and probiotic and supports gut health and digestion. Thick and satisfying that keeps you full for longer. This is a great substitute for sour cream in mayo or in other recipes. How to prep it? You can top with chia seeds, berry, and honey for a power breakfast. Also, you can use in tuna or egg salad as a creamy high-protein binder. You can blend it into smoothies for extra proteins without using powders. Felicia red lentil pasta offers 26 grams of proteins for 3.5 ounces. This is high in proteins and fiber, and it's great for blood sugar balance and help you staying full. This is gluten-free and easy to make. It's done in under 10 minutes. It's a perfect base for plant-based or meat-based meals. Some meal prep ideas. So cook a big batch and store it in the fridge. Toast with tomato sauce and top with parmesan or cottage cheese. You can mix it with sauté veggies or leftover chicken for a quick dinner. Another vegan option is the Sunrise Soy Organic Extra Firm Tofu. 14 grams of proteins for 85 grams serving size. Why I love it? So this is a plant-based proteins which is great for variety. It's rich in calcium, iron, and phytoestrogen that can support hormone health. Some meal prep ideas: so you can air fry cubes for crispy tofu bites. You can scramble with turmeric and veggies for a savory breakfast. You can use it in stir fries, curries, or grain bowls. And number 10, it's the Kid Kitchen Perfect Bar, which is a new addition which tastes delicious. It's made with whole food, nut butter, oats, and no fake sweeteners. It tastes like a treat but keeps you full for hours. Great for busy morning or pre or post workout. There are no meal prep tips for this one. You can just grab it and you can put it in your gym bag or in your purse when it comes for an emergency fuel. So you can also chop few pieces and add it to your yogurt or overnight oats mix. You can heat for 20 seconds in a microwave for a warm, gooey treat. I hope you found this useful. Before you go, as I promised, I have something special that can help you get started on your weight loss journey. So grab my free 3-day weight loss reset plan where I share actionable strategies, meal plan ideas with grocery list and recipes, and simple lifestyle changes to help you build sustainable habits without the stress of dieting. This book is perfect if you are looking for a practical, easy to follow guide that works with your lifestyle and help you take the first steps towards feeling stronger, leaner, and more confident. Click the link in the description below to download your free copy and start your journey today. And there you have it. This is my top 10 high protein Costco finds for April 2025, plus some easy meal prep ideas to help you save time and stay on track with your nutrition. What is your go-to high protein food from Costco? Let me know in the comments below. If you are new to nutrition and don't know where to start, you have to check out this video. I will explain everything in there. Thank you for watching and I see you in the next video. Bye for now.